Hello everyone! In this unit, we're going to go deeper in how to assess the challenges and opportunities of our system. At this stage, we all have done our system visualizations, taking into account our quantitative and our qualitative data. And here, once again, is going to enter, or we're going to underline the role of the designer and how we as designers are key actors to unveil the challenges of opportunities to develop a new system. We're going to approach this at two levels. At the first level, we're going to approach the territory, in the sense that we were going to assess the different relationships between the local stakeholders, and with the information which we have mapped, we're going to generate a horizontal dialogue between all of them. And thanks to this horizontal dialogue, because everyone is able to visualize what the system or the territory has to offer, we can identify even better what are the challenges that can turn into elements for value creation and opportunities that also, or sleeping assets that can be an asset for value creation. So for instance, we can have, let's say, elderly people as a challenge of a territory, that if we involve these elderly people in our innovation strategy, that can be turned into a value creation asset, and so on. Others can be related to the environment. For instance, the air quality, which is a challenge. Now we can address the innovation proposals to turning this into a value creation or improving the quality of the air, for instance. On the company side, our value chain, that is going to be like a more micro level, how we're going to create value or assess this, we're going to see it in three different levels. So the first level is going to be at levels of the supply chain. The second level is going to be at levels of the productive process, and the third level at levels of the flows. So on this, on the company scale, is very important that we're going to focus then what are going to be the challenges and the opportunities, but more importantly to understand if we have to do a further literature, for example, in technical aspects, such as, for example, new materials, new kinds of process technologies that are related to the physical process and fluxes and supply chain of a company. However, in watching these three levels, we must not forget the relationships this company or value chain has with their territory. And it's very important in this point that you overlap. So it's important to cross-cut the information of the territory, all of the territorial actors you already have, and the company. In that sense, you're going to understand how the company and the territory can enhance their territorial relationships and enhance and create a new system that is more resilient and sustainable. Thank you very much.